Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make jute sandals from flip-flops. And of course it doesn't have to be jute, you could use any of your yarn scraps. So let's get started. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. If you find the videos too fast, you can slow them down by clicking on the gear icon below the video. To make these jute sandals, I'm going to use some jute, and I bought this at the dollar store, and some flip-flops. And you'll need about 6 yards to wind around the strap. And I'm going to start by tying it around one end. I'm going to turn the knot to the outside so it won't cause a bump against my foot. And I'll just tape that yarn end down to keep it out of my way. And I'm just going to start winding it around and around to cover this band. Like that, and then just keep on going. Okay, I've made it all the way to the center, and if you have to stop at any time, you can just put a clothespin or a paper clip or anything to hold the jute in place. Now just go right over to the other side and just start winding around there. Like that, and then just continue over to here. Okay, so after you've reached the end, you're going to tie a knot, like that right there, apply some glue, and then with a crochet hook, pull the end up inside. Apply some more glue in there. And then trim off that end like that, and on the other side as well. And now I'll show you how to crochet the flower. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch to join and form a ring, chain 1, single crochet in the ring. Leave that yarn end free so you can tie the flower on the sandals. Now I'm going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Single crochet in the ring. And that will form 1 petal of your flower. You're going to repeat that to make 5 petals. So 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Move those over, single crochet. So there's your second petal. So repeat that to make 5 petals. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last 3 double crochet. Now I'm going to slip stitch in that first single crochet and fasten off like that. Turn it over to the back. Pull that yarn end over to the other side. Now tie the 2 yarn ends into a square knot like that. Sew a button in the center of the flower. And now you can use the 2 yarn ends to tie the flower on the front of the sandals. And that's it. That's how easy it is to turn basic flip-flops into jute sandals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.